kind of reflecting on a consultation I had yesterday. I had a guy say to me, I don't know what procedure's right for me. And so we were kind of just briefly talking through the beginning stages of which route to go. And he said, well, I don't know what 4,000 hairs covers, and I don't know what 8,000 hairs covers. So that pretty much means nothing to me. So it's huge when you put it in that centimeter kind of measurement, because, in the industry, it's pretty traditional for people to give you a graft count. Well, to most people, it doesn't even make sense because they don't know what a graft count even covers.
Is there 1 hair per graft or 4 hairs per graft?
Right.
Huge difference,
and
right?
some people don't even know to ask that question. So, I think it's huge for us, when we're meeting with people and when people are trying to decide what solution's best for them, to ask, how much is that going to cover? And just like Joe said, how many hairs are in that graft? Because everybody's different. I think that's huge with our microscopic analysis. So doing a microscopic analysis, you can see what those groupings are like for that person, and that'll determine, how thick their donor area is. And it just makes a big difference because there's so many factors that go into a great hair transplant.